more time, boo boo. He's swimming.
Huh?
You can't take that bit. You're gonna eat the green bit. What you doing, Boo?
Boo!
Come on, let's go. Go.
Something. This is Augie's first puppuccino. Oh yeah.
Hello, my handsome friend. You like the song? Oh yeah.
This is our baby milkshake, just swinging in a swing, giving no care of the world. We're just having fun.
Just a little snuggle.
Ricky, you messy boy.
Here we go. Here is the captain. Co-captain. He's not. Oh, now it's Disney Canada lounge team. It's too hot for the lounge. Look, it's very strong.
Friends? No. Okay, bye.
Vincent is having fun at the dog bath today.
Come on, Dexter. Come this way. We're going this way. Nuovo autista alla guida.
Look how calm. Madeline, you're so happy being in the car.
Jasper, what are you doing?
Come on. You're a lazy boy. You're lazy. Come on. Yeah, she is. She's flicking her feet. Are you swimming? Clever girl.
Можно.
What's it? Ready? Do you love that? Yes. Do you love that?
Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good little.
Are you relaxed? What is it? You like it. Of course you would like it. He likes it. Do you want more? Are you gonna zoomy zoom? Come on.
Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a...
Come on, Ollie. Come.
Bath time today. What you doing? Do you have a good sleep?
Swim, 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 please, swim.
I can't. This is so funny.
Jasper.
Mambo, time to go home. Come on. Why did you do that?
What are you doing? What are you doing? He's so pretty. My pretty boy. He's loving the air conditioning. He's like...
Is my baby boy swimming? Yeah. Oh. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You're so smart. You're so smart and cute. What are you doing, Stella? Say hi! Oh!
Good job. Good job. Beautiful.
You never had one of these, have you? She likes it! Yummy! What is that?
Miss Pink. Getting your first bath.
Hi! 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 Sophie, what you doing, girl? Hey, babe. Sophie, what's... Blue. Hello, my handsome friend. You like the song? Oh, yeah.